Hey everybody, and welcome to this YouTube video. And today, it's something to do with my iPhone. But it's not really about the iPhone. It's about like a smartwatch. Here it is. This is called the Pebble smartwatch for the iPhone or Android. So it's pretty much like a Bluetooth for your device. So let's open up the box. And as you open it up, there's probably like a piece of cardboard right here, but I got it when I was in Connecticut, so here's the watch itself. And put it off to the side. And then it comes with this charger right here. So it comes with this charger. It's this magnetic charger. So if you have like a Mac or something, you know what this is. It's kind of like one of those MagSafes. You just put it right next to your watch, and then it just starts charging. So you have to push it up a little bit for it to connect good. So we'll unplug that because we don't need to charge right now. I charged this yesterday. And then there's some instructions about like how to connect it. This came from the cord. See, 2 things of instructions. It's not that big. So let's put the box back on top. So I said right there, Bluetooth. That's it right here. Android, iPod, or iPhone. So like actually I'm using my iPod. But see this right here? We'll turn it on. And once you turn it on, you have to activate it and stuff. But pretty much this is the watch. There's buttons right here on the side. Up, down, the OK button, and the lock button. So like if I click this, it'll go to my lock screen. Then you can then like download watch faces. So like here are some ones that are actually on the watch itself. So there's this one, that one, there's that one. I downloaded these ones. There's this one called Love Weather. Of course, the John Cena one, and then the one I'm using right now, which is the WWE logo. Like, if you get like any notification, they'll go in here, go back. You can do your music from here. You can set an alarm, watch faces, your settings, like Bluetooth, notifications, about, shutdown, or factory reset. You know what? We're gonna actually do like the factory reset. I'm gonna show you guys how to set up the Pebble smartwatch to my iPhone. But yeah, usually, hang on one second, let me put this down until I get to the, you know what, we can just look it up. So it comes with this Pebble app. You have to get it from the website. So here's the home screen, all your watch faces. And then like you can get apps on it, like settings. Then you need to like update it, which I did that this morning. Click right down there, update your Pebble. So that's pretty much the whole thing. So that's the Pebble smartwatch. So pretty much like you get like a notification, like a text message, a phone call, something like that. The watch will vibrate. So it's really good. So I already downloaded a weather app, ESPN. You know what? Let's do a factory reset, and I'll be right back. Guys, we are back. And like once you get the Pebble for the first time, it will say this: install Pebble app and stuff. So I'm gonna go to my Pebble app. Touch to connect to your Pebble. So if it's showing the right code, Continue. Pairing, yes, it's showing my Pebble right there. Hang on. Came back. We'll try again. Okay, did you just hear that? My Pebble just vibrated. And it says pair with Jordan's iPhone. Then it shows the code. And then it shows the show. Yes and yes. So now they're both connecting. So it says right there, well done, your Pebble is now paired with your phone. Continue. Check now. And then it says ready for update. Continue. Enable locations. Yes, pair. And now see, your Pebble is now getting set up. See, it says ready for update. Now it should be getting updated. So pretty much, this is how you set it up. And it's just that good. And then, like, I got this for my birthday. Here's the back of it. Just says Pebble on the back. Oh yeah. I might actually get like an Apple smartwatch. Maybe soon. But for now, here's my recent watch right here. And it's still saying ready for update. So as soon as that gets done, I'll come back to y'all. Okay, everybody, I'm back. And now the smartwatch, it's done. So, I downloaded every single watch face again. See, this is what a clean one looks like. There's my notifications. So thank you for watching this video. Please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more. Nailed it.